Everything is energy, and you're the one controlling it, even if you don't realize it yet. Right now, your brain is processing millions of signals every second. The sensation of your clothes against your skin, the hum of background noise, subtle shifts in light, all happening, all unnoticed. Why? Why? Because your brain filters them out to keep you focused. But here's the catch. That same filtering is keeping you stuck. Think about the last time you tried to think about learning something new, maybe a sport, a language, or a skill. First it felt awkward and clumsy. Your movements were stiff, your thoughts were scattered. But with practice, things started to flow in naturally. What changed? Your brain rewired itself, creating new pathways, new patterns. This is where energy control comes in. Many think that they need more energy to get things done, but often it's not about having more energy. It's about using what you already have in a smarter way. It's about having a full tank of gas, but driving with the parking brake on. The energy is there, but it's not flowing right. So how do you fix this? You fix this by breaking down the barriers between conscious and unconscious processing. You unlock abilities that you didn't know you had, and it's not just a mental hack, it's grounded into neuroscience. Let's try something simple. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Notice each breath, how some feel deep, how some feel shallow, some feel warm, some feel cool. Don't try to change anything, just observe it. After a few moments, your breathing will naturally shift. That's your brain releasing unnecessary patterns with principle applies all over everything. Our minds create countless invisible rules, rules that we can learn to bend and break. Think of a cat landing on its feet, or a baby learning to walk. They don't follow step-by-step instructions. They let their bodies figure it out. As we grow up, we start to overthink things. We force results instead of letting them happen naturally. We get stuck in rigid patterns and thoughts and in behaviours. These patterns might help in some ways, but they also block us from reaching our full potential. Energy control is about spotting these hidden patterns and working with them and not against them. It's like learning to surf instead of fighting against the waves. The force is already there, you just need to ride it. You'll learn how your brain creates its own version of reality and how to adjust that perception. It's not about seeing things that aren't there, guys. It's about noticing what's been there all along, waiting to be discovered. Techniques are practical, straightforward, and no fancy tools. The G2G method is absolutely something different that's not on the market at the moment. This method will totally unlock your awareness. At the moment it's in auto mode, letting your brain to decide what's focused on. Energy, what we do, will teach you how to switch it into manual, giving you more options and better results. These effects are real and measurable. Athletes use these techniques to sharpen their performance. Musicians use them to play with precision. Business leaders use them to make clearer decisions. The applications are endless because these principles tap into how your brain naturally works.